Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar's from Solo Marketer here, and in this video, I want to quickly show you how to monetize your new leads within minutes. So instead of just adding them to your mailing list and then kind of waiting until you send out email campaigns, this is the much quicker way to get some instant revenue back. Let's say you're running ads. This is like a good way, part of the process, to make it a self-liquidating funnel as opposed to just spending money up front and then hoping for the best in the back end. So basically, this is what a regular lead generation, kind of like a two-step funnel looks like. So this is where you ask for, you have like a free PDF, whatever, right? And you ask for their name and email. And on a thank you page, you just deliver the lead magnet, right? Hey, thanks for signing up. Here it is. And then they just click on it and they sign up. So with this way, there's nothing wrong with this way, but there is a better way, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So now if you want to go back to the page, so this is the squeeze page, right, where they put in their name and email. This is a thank you page where you give them the lead magnet. So instead what we want to do is, instead of putting the lead magnet on a thank you page, we're going to deliver it via email and use this thank you page to bring up a relevant inexpensive offer right away. So let's say people are interested in a guide that helps them make, their first $1,000 in first 30 days. So maybe there's a relevant course. It can be an affiliate product. It can be your own course. It can be a PLR product, right? Private label rights product. Any offer that you might have relevant to this guide, kind of fixing the same problem or like a bigger problem rather, but for money. So we want to put it here, and instead of a thank you page, it's going to be called a bridge page. So it would look something like this. Let's go and edit. So instead of doing this, we're going to notify people, yep, it's going to it's going to be your mailing list in 5 minutes. That's why I asked for the email, right? Otherwise, what's the purpose of asking for email if we just give it right away? So, just kind of the logic isn't completely there. But if we do something like this, if we type in your free ebook is on its way to your inbox, it should be there within the next 5 minutes, that justifies you asking for their email, right? And while it's, going out 5 minutes, then we have 5 minutes for this, right? We can offer a relevant product. So what you want to do here is we can actually take this out. This one is not necessary. We can do a sub headline. And this is where you hook them in immediately. Let's say we have a product that's something similar. I don't know, like an affiliate product. And here you hook them in with one sentence, something like, I don't know, how would you like to get in my first 90 days? Not too original, right? But just kind of basically just something that is relevant. It can be something completely different. Learn my free traffic there. Mailing list per month, right? And this can be your product. This can be an affiliate product. This can be whatever, right? You can link whatever here. And this button will say, yes, please, let's go check it out, right? Simple as that. Oh, sorry, it's not the URL, it's over here. My bad. The color, I would make it congruent with the landing page. I think it was red if I remember correctly. So let's make this one red as well, right? So something like this. Actually, we could have kept the image in here, but this is your opportunity to you let people know your lead magnet is coming. That's reassuring. And right now, right here, you have like a sentence or two, basically like 3 to 5 seconds to get their attention. It's like, hey, we have this thing. And then they click on the button. There's like a $27 course, right? So not everyone will buy it, but let's say, 5, 10, 20% of people, they click on it, they go in, they buy. That's extra money. It's not, especially if you're spending money on ads, this starts to kind of immediately kind of make some of that money back for you on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. And also, it doesn't just need to be like one sales page. It can be also like a sales page, an order bump, upsell, this whole structure. And then you can have like automated email sequences and connected to that as well, right? You can automate all of it. But this is better than just like, hey, here's your lead magnet. Thanks. See you in a month, right? And it's even more of an uphill battle. But when it comes to delivering the lead magnet itself, let's just quickly do it. If you go over here to automation rules, let's just delete this delete rule. Add rule, final step form subscribe. That means once they subscribe to the form, obviously you can tag them, you can do all that stuff, but the main thing is edit automation rule, add action, send email. Over here, if you don't have an email to choose from, click on here, create email message, subject line, sender name, all that stuff, and then in this email body, download your free guide here. All right, select it, link, put in the link to your email guide. Instead of the button on a thank you page, put it in here, and obviously save it. And yeah, and then go test it out. Go test it out yourself. It justifies you asking for their email address, right? And at the same time, you're being efficient, you're automating like some initial purchases. So that's just, it's all around a better idea, and kind of, you get to see your first money, right? If it's all set up properly. So it's, it's also extra, it's really motivating to not only get the lead, but also selling them something that's relevant, that's going to help them, that they find valuable. That feels extra good, especially your first few sales if you haven't made any yet. But yeah, that's kind of short and sweet. If you want a template of this funnel, actually have it all built out, there's a little bit, the bridge page has a little bit more detail. Check the description down below. There's a lead generation template with the bridge page, like it's all set up. You might like it. Hundreds of people have downloaded it already, and they found it valuable. And also there's a couple other cool templates down below. Go check those out. If you have any questions, comment below. Maybe I skipped over something that was important. And obviously, like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff as per usual. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.